Hello, I'm Ilke. I was born in Turkey. I'm 24 years old and I study bank and finance. I am EVS volunteer in WerkStattSchule in Germany. Started to be volunteer first day of April. I work in media department. Even though I study bank, I always interest with camera, video and media stuff. WerkStattSchule and EVS gave me the chance what I like to do. So, what are we doing in here? We work with kids from all over the world, doing bench from stone and wood, part and documentation. The good thing about job, you're not have to be stuck with the one project. My project taking video and picture with kids when they work, and we prepare documentation about process. Me and my other friends who is volunteer live together at Heidelberg, which is 15 minutes far away with bicycle from here, I mean WerkStattSchule, to Heidelberg, our house. Heidelberg is a small, cute city, you will figure out easily. So in Heidelberg we have large garden, also play garden for kids, lots of parties, events, bar, exchange room, etc. You would love to be happy, you would be happy to work in WerkStattSchule in doing volunteer in here.
Hi, I'm Adrien, I'm 29 and I come from France. To be EVS at the WerkStattSchule, what is it? First, it's to get lost between lots of so different and interesting projects, some that others. I work mostly in wood and stone stuff, but don't worry, there is not compartment and you will have the opportunity to learn new technicals or to share your talent in lots of kind of work. Moreover, you will be lucky to work beside really interesting and nice people and to take part in this great team. All of it in a single aim to transmit these knowledges to the young and learn them new things by informal workshops. On another hand, you will be lucky to live in an original place called Heidelberg, from where the first day you will feel at home. Moreover, the neighbors are not only neighbors finally, and are really easy talking and friendly, and in Heidelberg you can have a breeze in the garden or have a barbecue in a really big garden, so it's really nice. So what else? Finally, you will discover Heidelberg, which is a really nice and lively place where we can take nice walks or discover lovely places and meet people, nice people from Germany or from anywhere, and that's really nice. So for all that, it's really enriching to be EVS here. So, viel Spaß!
Hello, I'm Simona, I come from Italy, I'm 30 years old. I study art and sculpture, that's the reason why I chose this project. My project in WerkStattSchule is about stone and wood. We are doing bands with the kids in different schools and places. My job is to help kids to carve, paint on wood and stone. Do brainstorm before we start the job. I start my EVS in Germany in first day of April in 2017. EVS is not only about to work, but it's also the chance to help kids who come from different countries and has a different past. Me and the other two volunteers live together in Heidelberg. This is a big place with a big garden. In this garden we often do parties and barbecue. Heidelberg is a beautiful city with a big and interesting history. There is a wonderful castle and the Neckar River. Hello, I'm Steve.
Hello, I'm Steve. Okay.
All that in the
In art and picture.
And I studied.
Do brainstorm before.
Oh no, yes, present that. So, sorry.
Cut! Apartments.
From Italy, I am.
See, there is no yes, that.